Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Super Simple Python. I'm your host, Yujin Tang, and today we're going to be building a deck of cards. So, a standard deck of 52 cards has four suits and 13 values. So, of these 13 values, some are face cards and some are 9 of them are numbers and 4 of them are face cards. So first, let's create our values. So we're going to go from 2 to 14. Some games consider ace to be a 1, but in most card games, such as poker, we're going to be considering the ace to be the high card. So let's go and let's create these cards. So values equals 2, 3. Actually, I think we can just do this. Range 214. Here's 215. Well, let's print it out. Last time the one I did this last time I kind of deck. CD starter. Python deck of cards. Range 2 to 14. Last time I hard coded this, but this might be easier to do this. Okay, so 2 to 15 is what we need. Cool. I always forget if it's inclusive or exclusive. And then we're going to have our suits, clubs, diamonds, spades, and hearts. So now we want to generate cards. So let's make a class for this, okay? So if you haven't seen the class tutorial, I recommend you check that out. If you have, we're going to just make a class called a card. And this will just be we'll just do... So we'll create a constructor that will take a value and a suit. Suit. And we'll simply do self.value equals value, self.suit equals suit. And then we just generate the cards, right? So def generate cards. Actually, here, why don't we do this? We'll put values in here and suits in here so that if you want, you can even create card decks with different suits or different values. Up to you, right? So for value and values. Oh, wait, before we do this, let's handle the face cards. Face cards equals. So the face card is going to be a dictionary. And what I'm basically going to do here is I'm going to set 11 to Jack, 12 to Queen, 13 to King, 14 to Ace, and then if we want to convert them back, we can also do that. So the nice thing about Python is that Python lets you do mixed types for keys and values. So we're just going to set this to convert them back if we need to do that in the game, which we likely will. So let's go. Okay, so these are the face cards. These are the card class. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to generate the cards. So def generate cards. We'll take values and we'll take suits. So this is up to you if you want to do suits first or values first, but we'll do for value and values, for suit and suits. If value in face cards, card.value equals face cards. Right, so we'll create a deck of cards equal to an empty list. And then in each one, we'll create a card equals card. Well, no, we'll just do this. Let's do this. This is easier. So do card value equals face cards value. And then we'll just do cards.append card value, there we go. Card value, there we go. Suit. And that's it. And then else, otherwise we'll just do cards.append card value suit. And then we'll just return our deck of cards. So cards equals generate cards, and we'll just pass in our values and suits, and then we'll print it out. So for we're gonna have to print out, in order to see the values and suits, we gotta have to print them out explicitly instead of just printing out cards, because if we, I'll show you what that looks like here. So let me just So we just print out the cards. We're going to see a bunch of like objects. I'll show you what that looks like. Right, so objects. So if we actually want to see the cards, we're going to have to print them out. So print card.value, card.suit. And there we go. There's our deck of cards, 2 of clubs, 2 of diamonds, 2 of spades, 2 of hearts, so on, until we get to the ace of clubs, diamonds, spades, and hearts. So, yep, that's pretty much all there is to generating a deck of cards in Python. Thanks for watching this episode of Super Simple Python. If this was helpful for you, or if you learned something, or if you like this, please like the video and subscribe and share with your friends. All right, thanks. See you guys next time.